आपने चिट्ठी भी लिखी योगी जी को, एंड इफ आई मे कोट, यू सेड दैट यू वर टॉकिंग अबाउट ओबीसी एंड एसटी कम्युनिटीज़ की जो पोस्ट्स हैं, उसमें नॉट फाउंड सूटेबल का जो टैग लगा जाता है और उससे फिर उन्हें एडमिशन नहीं दी जाती फॉर दोज, एंड इंटरव्यू बेस्ड रिक्रूटमेंट में वहाँ पे भी उनको दे डोंट गेट इट, यू नो, दैट बिकम्स अ क्राइटेरिया. तो was that the resentment that you were talking about? क्या था resentment?
The resentment was, one issue was regarding the 69,000 teachers recruitment issue, which I had been raising for long with the state government, and I had also informed the central leadership. But the state government was to address this issue at the right time. And before 2022 assembly elections, because I had raised it with the central leadership, so they intervened and some additional seats were announced, 6,800 seats for the SC/ST OBCs, but then the matter got stuck in the court. And post the assembly election, then the state government did not actually try very hard to resolve that issue, and the candidates who were affected, they were on a prolonged agitation. So it went on for 2 years. And 2 years is a very long time. People have been agitating for 2 years, and if they see that the government is not making a serious effort to resolve the issue, then it somewhere creates some pain, some ache in your heart. And in that backdrop, if some opposition parties come and they start creating that fear in your mind that, look, if this alliance, NDA alliance, if Narendra Modi gets this mandate, this is what he's going to do, you happen to believe it. It's human psychology. So that's where things went wrong. That is my assessment.
तो क्यों नहीं वो रिजेंटमेंट वाली बात ऊपर उठी? ना मीडिया में उठी ये बात, ना पॉलिटिशियंस बात कर रहे थे कि ओके देयर सीम्स टू बी अ डिस्कनेक्ट. कोई कहने को तैयार नहीं था. यू सेइंग दैट यू ब्रॉट इट अप विद द लीडरशिप.
See,
लेकिन कोई बोल नहीं रहा था डर के मारे.
No. You must understand that I am a part of the government. My party believes that when you're a part of an alliance, then if you have any issues, you must raise those issues indoors. And I have raised these issues at several occasions indoors. I have gone up to the Chief Minister, spoken to him about it. I have met the Prime Minister, I met the Honorable Home Minister, everybody. But we did not go into the media because we are an ally. We have a duty to, talk inside and resolve the issues. But despite our repeated efforts, somewhere the issues did not get resolved. However, I have spoken again now, and I am being assured that they will be resolved, and I hope they are. But when things linger on for too long, they do have an impact, and I mean, we all.
So when at that time you said बंद कमरों में ये बातें हुआ करती थी, चाहे लखनऊ में हो या फिर दिल्ली में हो, आपने ये मुद्दे उठाए थे. लेकिन अब वाई आर यू गोइंग पब्लिक विद इट? व्हाट इज़ द डिफरेंस? क्योंकि ऑपोजिशन जो है, जैसे समाजवादी पार्टी ने कहा दुकान बंद होने से अनुप्रिया पटेल योगी जी को पत्र लिख रही हैं.
देखिए, पहली बात तो ये है कि एक अलायंस के रूप में मेरा दायित्व यही था कि मैं बंद कमरे में मसलों को उठाऊं. और मैंने आपको बताया कि क्योंकि मैंने इन मसलों को सेंट्रल लीडरशिप के सामने उठाया, इसलिए 2022 के चुनाव के पहले एडिशनल सीट्स क्रिएशन, इसका नोटिफिकेशन भी हुआ. तो सेंट्रल लीडरशिप ने इंटरवीन किया. बंद कमरे में हमने बात की, सेंट्रल लीडरशिप ने इंटरवीन किया, तभी एडिशनल सीट्स आईं. लेकिन फिर वो मसला कोर्ट में जाके फंस गया. अब तब तक 2022 का चुनाव खत्म हो चुका था. कोर्ट में जब मसला फंसा तो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट का दायित्व बनता था कि आप उसको परस्यू करें, आप उसका समाधान निकालें. लेकिन वो नहीं हुआ. इसलिए 2024 के पहले कहीं ना कहीं लोगों के मन में एक भय व्याप्त था, एक रिजेंटमेंट था कि आप हमारे लिए प्रयास नहीं कर रहे हैं. और जब इसके परिणाम आए तो वो सुखद नहीं रहे. इसलिए मुझे कहना पड़ा कि भाई, हम आपसे बहुत समय से कह रहे हैं और आपको अब इसको संज्ञान में लेना चाहिए, क्योंकि ऑपोजिशन ने इसका फ़ायदा उठाया है. Opposition has taken advantage of this opportunity and hurt the interest of the NDA alliance in the general elections. It's true that we have been able to form a government in a row for the third time.
Despite what happened in Uttar
Yes,
Pradesh.
despite what happened. But somewhere, because of this mistake that we made, that we did not address the issue after 2022 elections were over, somewhere it impacted our Lok Sabha results. So,
Okay.
whatever is not going on track, it is the moral duty of the government to address the grievances of the people. And I stand for my people, I stand for the weaker sections. So if there is something which is not on track, I can't stay mum. I have to raise their voice.
See, when you talk about the weaker sections, lots of people
And
say
yes,
ki,
one more thing.
जी.
You said Samajwadi Party is saying दुकान बंद हो रही है. I would like to answer to them also. My critics have a moral duty to perform. My critics are just doing their job. They are saying दुकान बंद हो रही है. मैं आपसे यही कहना चाहती हूँ कि मैं अपने critics को I cannot expect them to say otherwise. And say otherwise what? That Anupriya Patel had her feet so much in the ground that despite all your fake narrative and your false propaganda, you could not expel Anupriya Patel from Mirzapur, and Anupriya Patel resides in the hearts and the minds of the Mirzapurians. So that is my reply to my opponents.
Click here to watch the full episode.